Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Begin with safety and preparation. Open the Infiniti G37 hood, locate the 12V battery, and remove any plastic cover to expose the terminals. Park the donor vehicle about 18 inches away so jumper cables reach comfortably, then set both parking brakes and leave transmissions in park. Turn off all electronics, remove keys, and put on eye protection and gloves. Confirm battery posts are not corroded and that cables are free of frays. Keep metal tools away from terminals to prevent sparks or accidental shorts during the procedure. Attach jumper cables in the correct order to minimize sparking. First, clip a red clamp to the Infiniti positive terminal, labeled plus on the 12V battery, then the second red clamp to the donor car positive terminal. Next, attach the black clamp to the donor car negative terminal. Finally, attach the remaining black clamp to a clean metal chassis ground on the Infiniti, away from the battery and fuel lines. Do not attach it to the negative battery post. Keep clamps separated during connection and ensure firm, clean contact on each terminal or ground point. With cables connected, start the donor car and let it idle for about 5 minutes to build charge in the Infiniti battery. After waiting, attempt to start the G37. If it does not start, crank for up to 10 seconds, then stop and wait 30 seconds before trying again. Once the Infiniti starts, let both vehicles idle for a minute, then remove clamps in reverse order. Black ground, donor negative, donor positive, then Infiniti positive. Keep the Infiniti running for 20 minutes, or drive about 15 miles to fully recharge the battery and avoid immediate redeath.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.